Today is the day that I go to Costa Rica. I am at the condo right now cleaning because someone checked out today and someone is checking in today. So I just have to clean it before I leave. Derek is at home working on his solar generator with all of his buddies. And he would have had to take literally like 5 hours away from that project to come and clean with me and do all this stuff, bring me to the airport, drive back. So I just told him I will just drive to the airport and leave the car there and then he can come get it. So I already said goodbye to him and to the animals, and I won't see them for 2 weeks. But I just went to Whole Foods and I wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing with me because I leave to go to the airport at 3:30. I fly to LA at 5, I get to LA at 7. I'm in LA until midnight and then I leave to go to Costa Rica, get there at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So it's quite a long trip and I packed quite a lot of food. So I just wanted to show you guys what I packed for that long of travel. So for snacks, I brought some organic dried mango from nuts.com. I have these little balls, energy balls that I made. So what I put in these, this is probably the best recipe I've ever made of energy balls. First, I blended oats, toasted buckwheat, puffed quinoa, some vanilla powder, a little bit of cinnamon, and then I added about 10 pitted dates, some raisins, and then I just pressed them into these balls, and they're so good because they're not like more wet, they're more crunchy. They're so good. So I have those. I bought some watermelon at Whole Foods just because this watermelon looked amazing and I just could not buy it. And then for my meals, so I'm gonna eat some of these right now because I'm hungry and I really just didn't know what to pack. And I don't like packing rice or potatoes because then you have to eat them when they're not hot and they just get kind of gross after a while. So I bought this vegan pita bread from Whole Foods. And then what I did was I went to the bar, the food bar, and I just got, they had a mix of like bulgur, this like bulgur bean mix. I got some pepperoncinis. There was also quinoa and black beans, corn. And then I just got a bunch of kale, some green onion, cucumber, and that is pretty much what's in there. And then what I did was I just bought these little self-serve or individual serving Engine 2 hummuses, but they're 2.5 ounces, and I think the TSA wouldn't let you bring like a big thing of hummus just because it's considered like a gel. Eat one right now. So I'll show you what my wrap looks like because I am really hungry. Condo's clean. I'm off to the airport. I will see you guys in Costa Rica. Made it to Tamarindo. Wow, that was one hell of a trip. Once I flew into the airport, it was like a 2-hour drive to get here, and I had to pee so bad and I kept hitting construction and I was like so scared just because I was in another country. I'm so tired. I slept maybe an hour and a half max on that plane. It's ridiculously hard to sleep on a plane. But I would just walk to the grocery store. This town is so cute. There's like just so many shops. There's a ton of vegan options, but I just went and got groceries, so I figured I would show you guys what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make some food, take a shower, and pass out, and probably try and wake up around 2 or something just so I can get some sleep before I just can't keep going. Like, I have to take a nap and then go do something. I figured I would make pasta. I really wanted to make sushi, but they didn't have any nori, so I got some pasta, got a carrot to put in there, some onion. This is just strained tomatoes, so there's no salt or oil or anything. I got some mushroom, kale, basil, and then red pepper flakes.